Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Now today we're going to talk about naming a road the Holness Highway. Now the road that we would like renamed, the road we'd like called the Holness Highway is this road we're driving on, Mandela Highway. Now this road is originally named after Nelson Mandela, the former president of South Africa. A great honor, but this particular road should be renamed the Holness Highway. For one, Holness is a prime minister in Jamaica, and I think every prime minister in Jamaica should have a highway named after them. But this road is not just an ordinary highway. This is the busiest road in Jamaica. It takes you into and out of the city of Kingston. This is the main road, the main route people take to go into and out of the city of Kingston. We can name another road after Nelson Mandela, but this road should be named after a Jamaican prime minister or national hero. Now, with the exception of P.J. Patterson, no prime minister has come close to building roads like Holness. The only one that has come close is the former prime minister P.J. Patterson. And the Highway 2000 that runs from Kingston to Maypen now, and by August it will go to Mandeville and then St. Elizabeth and then Montego Bay. That road is named the P.J. Patterson Highway after the former Prime Minister P.J. Patterson. So this road, the Mandela Highway now, should be renamed the Holness Highway. Now, Mr. Holness has built so many roads in Jamaica. As of today, we have Highway 2000. Well, under his administration, Highway 2000 has been built out from Maypen to Mandeville. And then last week they announced that in August, when that section of the highway is completed, the Mandeville to St. Elizabeth, from Williamsfield in Mandeville to Hodges in St. Elizabeth, will commence. They will start working on that one. And then Mr. Holness's administration is responsible for building the Southern Coastal Highway, which is from Harbourview to Portland, and that is the largest road project on the way in Jamaica right now. That's building a highway from Harbourview through St. Thomas into Portland. Never before has that side of the island seen roads of this quality. Never before. Even the Highway 2000 that's going to go from Kingston to Montego Bay, well, that one will be named the P.J. Patterson Highway, but Mr. Holness is responsible for building it from Maypen to Mandeville and Mandeville to St. Elizabeth. And then they are building out the Montego Bay end of Highway 2000 with bypasses in Anchovy, Long Hill, and then the highway will come into Bogue Road and touch up with the Perimeter Road in Montego Bay. So the Montego Bay end of Highway 2000 has started under Mr. Holness's administration. And I just want to point out, for those of you who have watched the channel, we are not a political channel. We don't talk politics. But we talk about roads, and we talk about the construction of roads. And right now, a lot of road projects are on the way. A lot of buildings are being built. The 3 tallest buildings in Jamaica are now under construction. Well, 2 of the 3 are under construction. The Ascent at 27 floors has started or will start soon. They got the final approvals in February. The Rogers, which is 20 floors, is on the way, and by the end of this year, it should be the tallest building in Jamaica. But there's another road project that's coming on stream very soon. and that is the expansion of the Northern Coastal Highway. This will be the largest, or this will be the most expensive capital expenditure in modern Jamaican history. This will be $120 billion project to expand that highway from Montego Bay to Ocho Rios. It's going to be a 4-lane dual carriageway, and it's called the Northern Coastal Highway now, but a lot of the sections of the road are merely parochial roads that go through small towns that were built along the coast, and you have traffic delays. It's not what we consider a highway today, but they are undertaking that project, and it's supposed to start this year. That is a major project for Jamaica. Huge. It's a game changer as well, because the Northern Coastal Highway that's there now can accommodate 15,000 cars a day. That's what it's built for. But far more use that road today. So they are going to expand it so that up to 40,000 cars a day can use that road. And if you drive on the North Coast, you're going to see two things: hotels, and you're going to see even more hotels under construction. You name it, every town, everywhere you see a beach, a hotel is going up. Rio is building a 700-room hotel in Trelawney. Trelawney is actually becoming the fastest growing tourist area in Jamaica. You have Hard Rock Cafe building 3 hotels. You have Secrets building a hotel. You have Beaches building a hotel. You have Sandals building a hotel. You name it, a hotel is being built. Not even to mention all the housing developments going up. Draxall is the fastest growing community in Jamaica. It's on the Northern Coastal Highway between Montego Bay and Ocho Rios. So I think with all of what's going on, road infrastructure in Jamaica, we should name the busiest road in Jamaica after a Jamaican. And we should also name it after a prime minister. Now, since Mr. Holness is in office while all of this expansion is going on, I think we should name this highway after him and name another road in honor of Nelson Mandela. We're not taking anything away from Mr. Mandela, but the busiest road in Jamaica should be named after a Jamaican. And also, it was just announced that an interchange is going to be built in the Caymanas area. So that interchange will include Mandela Highway. And from that interchange, you can access all the highways. So if you're on the PJ Patterson Highway, you can access the Edward Seaga Highway without coming off the highway. They're even going to build an exit and entrance ramp to Portmore of Mandela Highway. Actually, somewhere where we are now is where the ramp is going to be built, and that will definitely help with the flow of traffic into Portmore. So without a doubt, this road should be named after a Jamaican, and it should be Mr. Holness, because he has done so much to build the roads in Jamaica, the main roads, the highways, and there are a lot of road projects in addition to the highways that are on the way or going to start soon. They announced they're going to be spending $40 billion to upgrade the roads across the island. These are not the highways, these are just the regular roads. So guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. We'll be happy to hear from you. And remember, we are not a political channel. We don't talk politics on this channel. And those of you who have been following us know that, but we are going to be talking about naming all the major highways after prime ministers or former prime ministers or national heroes of Jamaica. So this is the road that we think should be named after Mr. Holness. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.